In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove a Wi-Fi history from your iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is first open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Within the Settings app, you have to navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. Once you find yourself in the Wi-Fi settings, which should be located at the top of your settings, you should see a list of all the available networks at the current moment, including the one you are connected to, if that's the case. As you can see, you have this little information icon at the right side of each individual network. This little blue icon, aka information, can be clicked and you will be redirected to the information page for that specific network. After you do that, you simply have to select forget this network and the Wi-Fi will be gone from your history. Of course, this means that the next time you want to connect to the specific Wi-Fi you just forgot, you will need to input the password again. But after that, your history will be cleaned off that specific Wi-Fi network you selected forget to. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Wi-Fi history from your iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.